Photocopying paper is sold by the ream. A ream is 500 sheets of paper. The most common size of paper used is A4. An A4 sheet measures 297 millimeters by 210 millimeters. It is part of the A series of paper sizes, which is based on the A0 size. An A0 sheet measures 1,189 millimeters times 841 millimeters and is almost exactly 1 meter square in area. And, as the diagram shows, an A1 sheet is half the area of an A0 sheet, an A2 sheet is half the area of an A1 sheet, an A3 sheet is half the area of an A2 sheet, and so on. As you can see, the numbers go down and you are half of the previous size. How many A4 sheets are needed to cover an A0 sheet? Okay, we'll start working our way up. We'll say first, how many A4 sheets do we need to cover an A3 sheet? Okay, we know, even from the diagram diagrammatically, that an A4 page is half the size of an A3 page. So, we need 2 A4 pages to cover an A3 page. And then we need 2 A3 pages to cover an A2 page. Or 4 A4 pages to cover an A2 page. And then to cover an A1 page, we need double that again, which will be 8. And we can double that again to get to A0, or 16. So their answer is B, but we can again represent this with more easy to understand table form. The first step, from A4 to A3, we know it takes 2 sheets of paper. Going from A4, from A3 to A2, we know it takes 4 sheets of paper that are A4 sized. Going from A2 to A1, we know it takes 8 sheets of paper. And then going from A1 to A0 is 16, doubling in sheets again. So the answer here is B.